Calling Patrick to tell him my Parrot Mouth friend from Grand Cayman want to visit me.
Hello, Patrick. How am I doing? I am great. Oh, I'm doing very well, very well. It's a long time I've been doing so good, Patrick. Yes. Oh, is Jam? Oh, he's fine. He's doing his sexy now. He's taking his sexy. Blueberry? Oh, she's supposed to be in the room sleeping. Blueberry, come. Daddy want to talk to you. Treating with that daddy. Give me your phone, you damn out of order. You're bright and fierce. Give me your phone, let me talk. Alright, Patrick, alright. Now listen to what she say. You hear what me I tell you? Don't listen to nothing. Picnic always try to tell lie when they can't have their own way. But what I'm saying is, Patrick, you remember my friend, the Parrot Mouth one, when me tell you say they are Cayman at work. She tell me say she'll come down in 2 weeks time. And Patrick, you know me not like to have a woman in my yard, because it's not a good look at all, it's not a good thing. Me can't make she stay. But Patrick, me have to think about it long and hard, because woman too mix up and get too much trouble, Patrick, me not like it, As much as me and her friend, me tell her, yes, she can come stay with me, but deep down in my heart, Patrick, me not really want to have no woman in my yard. She can't come because, did it? Well, I same thing me did I say to like her, they about she can't come, but me have a feeling, say, Rick, she want to come look, And she don't know, say, Rick no in her already. Alright. So when she come, me will make you know, you hear? Alright, okay. Alright. I'll call her back later.